Hey RT family, Ryan Reynolds here with Keller Williams Consultants Realty, and today I'm up on a ladder for today's quick tip. So today's quick tip has to do with your smoke detectors. Did you know that you are supposed to replace your smoke detectors in your house once every 10 years? Many people don't know that, and the reason you have to do that is because the sensors actually wear out. Now there are two types of smoke detectors. There's ionizing, which is a type of device that actually samples the air, and then there's a photoelectric smoke detector, and those ones actually look at the air. So in either case, whether you have photo or ionizing, you should be replacing those every 10 years. Now it can be super simple to do that, and what I'm going to do here, I'll show you real quick. So basically all you do in our smoke detectors is you twist them and then they drop down, and then you can see there's always wires up here, and if you're not an electrician you probably shouldn't touch the wires. However, there is a plug here on mine because mine are hardwired. And so all you do is you pop that plug out, and then once the plug's out, you put the new smoke detector up. So I have a new smoke detector here, and this is the one I'm going to install. So we're going to re-plug in the new smoke detector and go from there. Okay guys, so now I got the new smoke detector installed and I'm going to push it back up. So while you're doing this, if it doesn't come with a battery, which mine did, you should probably go ahead and replace the battery, but then you just push it back up, twist, and test. Now you can see my smoke detectors are all in good working order and will be safe for another 10 years. So if you haven't done that in the last 10 years, or if you don't know when they were changed last, definitely recommend you do that. As always, the Ryan Reynolds team, unlimited opportunities and exceptional experiences.